little too much, but I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you, and I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you, a little too much.
Okay, y'all, welcome back to the channel. Please excuse my look right now. I had to put my hat on because my closure's lifting. My eyebrows not done. You know the deal. I'm not gonna keep explaining every single video, but yeah, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you, and these red marks, I don't know what's that. I wanted to explain to y'all why I clicked on this video, how I sell my hair. I've been talking about this for the longest time already. Basically what I do is I get my bundles, as you usually do. I wear my hair for an install. An install for me is like 2 months, 2.5 months. And after that, I decide if I want to reinstall it or do I want to sell it. It depends, because sometimes I sell my hair in order to get new hair. So basically I'm flipping the hair that I get. So I buy the hair, I flip it by selling it, and I get brand new hair with that hair. So this would be a good way for you guys to save money, or if you need money for anything like a phone bill, food, anything, because times is hard out here. So whatever you have to do is like a side hustle for me. Basically, I'm gonna show you, this is gonna be a tutorial, a talk through, like a whole long way of doing stuff. So I sell on eBay, Let Go, OfferUp, and yeah, those 3 sites that I sell on. The reason why I sell on 3 different sites the same exact product is to maximize you actually selling the product, because there's been times that my hair has been on eBay and it doesn't end up selling on eBay or Let Go, ends up selling on OfferUp. So it just depends. I found I had the most success from eBay, number 1, and number 2 is OfferUp. Let Go, I had more success selling like things when I was moving, like my desk, this and that. But you will get a lot of offers on both sites, OfferUp, eBay, and Let Go. So I'm gonna show you how to sell and post your stuff on all 3 platforms. So make sure you watch the video fully through. If you have to watch it twice, do that, because there's a lot of steps that goes into it, but it's very easy. You cannot be lazy and want to do this, because once the people start looking at your stuff and asking questions, you have to be on it and answer them quickly, because if you don't, that's you missing the sale basically. So that's what I want to say about that. Another thing is that if you do actually sell the hair, once they pay, make sure you do go to the post office and you ship it out ASAP. Like, do not wait to ship the hair out. Don't be lazy and say, oh, I'm not gonna go today, I'm gonna wait 3 days to go, because that doesn't look good on you and they won't be a return customer. So the thing you want to make sure you do is have repeat customers. So when you are gonna sell hair, you can go to them first and be like, hey, I'm selling some more hair, are you guys interested, do you need anything? And a lot of times I've sold my hair to the same lady 6 different times. So if she likes how you answer questions and answer them thoroughly, and you're nice and you're polite, it's just like being a salesman or owning your own business. You have to be polite to your customers so they can keep coming back to you. So that's another thing. You can ask me questions down below. I don't care how many times you ask me, because I definitely do want you guys to have success while doing this. And a little bit of pointers about the hair before you sell it. If you had the hair for like, let's just say 2 months, and you never washed your install, I always wash my installs probably like once a week, depends, or every 2 weeks. If you've never washed the hair and you know the hair is dirty, please wash the hair before you send it out to them. You don't want them writing a bad review saying, oh, the hair came stink and it was dirty and all this other kind of stuff. You do not want that, because people will not want to come to you. You want to get the most positive feedback that you can. With eBay, you have the option of doing an auction, or you have an option of doing a buy now. I usually don't do buy now unless the person will request it from me. But other than that, I will do an auction. You have an option to do 1 day, 3 day, 5 day, 7 day. I would definitely say to do the 5 or the 7 day, but I think with the 5 day, they end up charging you after a while. They send you a whole invoice, I think, for the month, not right away. Then they also have fees that come out of your money. So all the transactions will go through PayPal. So you have to have a PayPal account set up in order to sell on eBay. I would say Let Go and OfferUp too. But with Let Go and OfferUp, they have their own little payment situation, but I don't do it through there. I'll usually give them my PayPal, the customer, if they're interested, and they'll contact me on there and send the money straight there. And once they do that, the next day I will go out and I will send them the hair. It's like a private sale in a way, because OfferUp and Let Go, I think OfferUp, they're the one that takes out a percentage of your money, and you want to get all the money possible. One more thing before I let you guys watch the video is, don't make your hair no crazy price. I usually sell my hair between $85 and $100. for 3 bundles or a wig or something like that, but I always start at 85. You want to start higher up so that if your customer goes down, you want to bargain with them. Let's just say they say, oh, I can offer you, the hair's 85, I'll give it to you, or I want to take it for $75. I would take 75 just because it's only a $10 difference and I really want to sell the hair. It depends if the hair is getting a lot of attention. Like recently when I sold my hair, you're gonna see it in this video. The one wig that I sold recently that had about 334 views. That's like the most popular thing that I've ever sold on eBay. And the big old bundles here had about 170 something views. So that was a lot of attention and people bid on stuff and everything like that. Another thing about eBay is that people bid on your thing if you know about eBay. So once they start bidding, the product is guaranteed to sell. Sometimes the person bids and forgets that they bid on it once they won, or they just, I don't know if they're playing around or what, but sometimes you have to run them down to get that money. I've had to do that 2 times in the past, but I eventually got paid everything. When you're gonna do offer up and let go, make sure you put in your description that there's gonna be no meetups in person. You're gonna have to ship it to them because of the virus and everything that's going on right now. You do not wanna expose yourself just to make a sale. I don't care what they're telling you, do not meet up with them. It's dangerous anyway to me. Usually I'll have them come to my outside of my house, or I'll give them the address way down the block from my house so they won't know my actual address, or I'll meet them at a public place. I'm in New York, so I can meet them at any train station that's crowded with a lot of people. But if you're young, I would not say to meet up with them. Bring your mom, bring your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your parent, something. Do whatever. You definitely come back to this video when you do sell your hair. Comment, because I really want to see if it works for you, because it definitely, I've been doing this for years, probably about 3, 4, 5 years now, and it's been working for me all the time. Recently, I'll tell you my story. Recently, the money that I made from the recent wig that I sold plus the hair, I bought a new wig, so the wig is coming. So total, you'll see on my eBay thing, I made $179. The wig I bought was $184. So I literally only spent like $5 of my own money to get a brand new wig that's 24 inches and a 360. I believe it's 360. So I flipped my hair, like I said. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, and please like, comment, subscribe. All right, hey y'all, we're gonna start out with the one that I use the least, which is Let Go. It's pretty easy. Go into the Let Go app, go into Sell, and then your photo gallery, and then you're gonna pick the pictures that you want. Make sure you take pretty attractive pictures if you can. Make the hair look as good as you can. Comb it out, braid it, I would suggest. Put it into little ponytails. And then you're gonna actually just write the title, make a catchy title as you can. It's pretty much just always gonna be 3 bundles. I would write the lengths if you need to, just so somebody don't have to question you each time and answer the same question. Everybody will know that the lengths are 16, 18, and 20 because it's in your title. And yeah, from there you're gonna set a price. I discussed this with you guys already, and I also put the brand of the hair, especially if it's like an expensive brand, because that definitely gets more people looking at your actual listing. I started out with 100, but I ended up selling the hair for less than 100. I ended up selling it for 85 because I had to relist it actually twice before I actually sold it. So yeah, sometimes you do have to drop your price down. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the video, and I'll chime in and out, but it's mostly a tutorial. You need to watch it just to understand what needs to be done. All right, so keep watching. Okay, so once you did all that, your actual listing should look like this, exactly how it is with the price in the description. So the photos, that's the photos that the customer is actually gonna see that you posted. So make sure they're clear and they look good. So next up, we're gonna go to offer up. Make sure you have all of these apps download before you even do anything in this video. So you're just gonna go back to your photo library, pick the photos that you want, put the actual title in again the same way you did. I would probably suggest you do caps lock. Put the actual brand of what you're doing and then write the description. Be as truthful as you need to be. If the wefts are cut, tell them that the wefts are cut. You don't want them to leave a bad review because, like I said, people are not going to want to buy your product because they're going to think that you're scamming, and we don't want people to think that you're scamming, right? So yeah, I don't really put firm on price because I'm negotiable with the price. You do have to put shipping there. It's usually like a low shipping, but yeah. Now moving along to eBay, it's pretty much the same steps. This is where I have the most luck at all of the time. I sold the last two hair that I showed you guys on eBay. Sometimes it takes more than once to sell, but always relist the hair if it does not sell, because sometimes people miss the actual sales and they'll jump right back on it once you relist it again. So we're gonna use the same exact photos. I put them in a different order this time because you want the first photo to be the one that people look at and go, oh yeah, I really like the hair, you know, things like that. So make sure you write the description really well, really truthful, and that's pretty much it. Watch the steps as I go along, and I know like this is pretty fast as I'm showing you guys, but you'll get the gist. It's pretty easy to post stuff, so I'm not really gonna go into that. And make sure your pricing is correct before you press list. Make sure you could press preview if you need to press preview. And I also accept offers sometimes, but not too low of an offer, so you can do that if you want. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I do that. And I also sometimes I do free shipping, and sometimes I'll set a standard price like $5 or $3 just to get more attention on my actual product, because sometimes shipping prices be crazy. So just be wary and be careful of where it's actually going to be going. Also, I'm going to show you a video of me actually shipping the stuff in the post office. That's coming up next, so stay tuned. It's going to ask you about easy prices coming up next. Always click maybe next time, and then press done, and then you view your listing, and that's how it should look. So, yeah.
Alright, hey y'all, the big old bundles here finally sold, so I'm prepping it to ship today. I gotta go to the actual post office, so I hope that they're open. So basically what I just do is I wrap a little piece of thread around it, tie it tight, and then I'm gonna braid the bundles. I just combed them out here. So this took about 2 tries on eBay, and it took about, I would say, a week and a half for it to sell. So I sold it for $85. So from these bundles that I used, I'm gonna get $85 to go towards my new hair. So yeah, you guys know that I'm not lying now. So yeah, I'm gonna screen record where it sold on eBay and everything like that. I'm not gonna put the person's information out, but yeah, I'm gonna show you the price it sold for.
And this is me risking my life at the post office just to get my money, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Stay safe out there, guys. I hope you liked this video. Ask me any questions down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.